If you're tired of creating your marketing videos and images and ad copy in a different platform, then having to download them and then upload them to post organically to Instagram or launch as a Spotify ad or a YouTube ad, this new feature is for you. All you have to do is type in something like men's skincare, and this will create ads and social posts across all of these channels, ready to launch and post with the targeting and everything. This new feature that we have is in the Creative Hub, and you're just going to tap add and generate option right here. So now you don't have to go to all these different platforms to create your assets for your marketing materials. We will pull and generate everything from your brand context area. So you already see assets waiting for you, and I'll show you exactly what that is. But the overall goal of this feature is to give you the option just to create individual assets that you might want to use in your ads or for your clients. And then you can actually launch the ad right here. And then you can also post that in social media using that asset. So, Canva doesn't really have a text option. They don't really have an audio, but like we're bringing everything into one area. So you can create all of your amazing marketing materials and assets, and then just actually do something with them, like distribute them. So how this would work is like, let's just give this sort of creative asset group a name. So we could just do like skin care test, because we're just doing this for a men's skincare brand. So we can just tap any of these creative options right here, everything from AI avatar to some templates that we might have already generated for you just by uploading an image. So, you can always edit these as well if you want to. So this is like what this one is already pre-made, right? Just by really just your brand context section. Okay, so this is good. So like, let's just use this right here. We can save this one and save this one. And we have these, you could also group, the AI avatars here. I'm just gonna go ahead and save this as a creative group. We have our text as well that you could save if you want to. So we could save this as a creative asset individually. You can just tap save right here. And now all we have to do is, if we want to launch this as an ad, you can just tap go over to Facebook. We have these image assets that we could use, change this text out right here or do anything that you want. Done that we created earlier. And then same thing here, we can go here. You can also build out your images, or you can pull from other sources. But this is just a way that you can build your creative, and then you can actually use this in your ads with the targeting. So the targeting is already right here. You can always edit this. You can create lookalikes, retargeting, and everything. But there's just a way for you to build your assets and then actually launch your ads on the ads platform or even on social. You can even use this feature on social. So like, let's say I want to do, Facebook, LinkedIn, maybe even YouTube, create post. You just tap this little icon right here, and then we'll pull in all of your creative, and you can just, use these assets in your creative for your organic social posts and actually post this right within the platform. So it's just a very easy way to create your assets and then distribute them. So you can just tap this little icon for your ad copy, and you can just tap use asset right here, and you can use that asset inside of this ad right here. And once your ads are live, you'll be able to see, okay, what is the best performing image or video? What's the lowest performing? You can even turn the switch on to actually optimize the spend and everything. So it's like your personal AI ads manager that's working 24/7 to always update the ad copy and give you recommendations on the images, update your targeting, and everything's aligned to your brand context area. So just a really cool feature. Again, this is in the Creative Hub. You can just tap this option. And you could also share these assets over to clients as well. So you can tap share, and you can just share this to any other workspace or clients underneath you. Again, this can also even work for audio, or if you come over to the audio tab right here, we'll have these scripts written for you. You could generate audio and apply this to your Spotify ads. So if we go over to Spotify, I want to create a Spotify ad. This is really how easy it could. We'll tap right here. We can use this asset. Done. And then we have already some of these images that were just created by Play. Done. And then just like that, you have your Spotify ad.
Elevate your grooming game. Gentlemen, unlock your best skin with Dogface, our all-natural skincare.
So instead of like having to download these images and go to a different platform to upload it, upload the copy, upload everything, you can just do everything in one place now. So really excited to launch this for you. Again, it's in the Creative Hub. You can just tap this option just to generate individual assets and apply them to your campaigns. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.